Okay, I just got a phone call from my cousin. She's at the laundromat. Apparently, a bird is hurt. This is the day in the life of Joe Chancellor. I just get called for so many things, and I'm blessed. Even though I'm a little nervous because I hate for anything to be hurt. But I'm attempting to go and try and save this situation if it's not too late. So, I'm not looking that cute today, but it isn't about me right now. It's about getting this bird some help. So, I have my bag, and I'm walking down the street. As you can see, I'm going fast. My hair isn't looking cute today, but who cares? I'm on a mission. So I'm walking, as you can see, I'm walking down the street. Walking down the street. I'm gonna get one of these nice men over here to help us. Nicky, where is she? What's she doing now? Oh, see the baby? It's okay, Mommy. We're gonna attempt to pick her up and take her to the vet. Can y'all see her? She looks so nervous. And I'm scared too, but since she's a baby, we're gonna try to do this.
You picked her up?
You picked her up?
Mm-hmm.
Can you put her... Nicky, you gotta go with me. Can you put her on here? And that... Whoop.
Come on, you gotta wrap up. You gotta wrap up.
Don't cover her face up though. She ain't gonna be able to breathe.
Okay, well you do
Cause
that.
I don't. Okay, I just appreciate you.
That's cool. Everything good. For what? There's nothing to be scared of. Leave it just like that.
But I want to turn her to the hose so that she can get the air. So this nice man, he's here helping us, and I appreciate him so very much. She's scared. She can breathe. Mama, we're gonna take you to the vet, okay? Just relax. I know you're nervous, but just relax, okay, Mama? We're gonna get that baby some help. See her, y'all? We got the peepholes. So she can get some air. Hi, Shinka, Ma. So I'm gonna take my time. Can you see, Princess? Okay, let's get Nicky to come on. You see, Mommy? You okay? Say, I'm okay, lady. Just take me to the vet. Okay. So, y'all can see the baby in there. See her. So stay tuned as we go on our venture to the vet. Okay. We are at the vet and they're giving me a Good Samaritan form so that I can fill out.
Alright, I'm going to return that to you.
She gone. Oh, she back in the back. Yeah. She about to get some help. So, I got to fill out a form. And we're going to check on her again.
Give this to me.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
So, see my form. Hold tight. She back there.
Oh, they got her?
Yeah. Back away. Yes, it is. Nicky got a scarf on her head, so she don't want y'all to see her.
Okay. What generally happens in a situation like this. When you find any type of wildlife,
Okay.
we do just notify animal control. We take your information, okay?
Okay.
So if you're inquiring about it, want to know what's going on, animal control can update you, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Thank
Thanks.
you. So she's telling me that I can contact animal control to check on Tweet Tweet. Her name Tweet Tweet.
Oh, you named it?
Tweet Tweet. What would she be? Other? Right here? A bird.
You can just put a bird.
Keisha, what I supposed to do now?
Basically, we're gonna just enter this in the system. There's nothing that you need to do at this point. It'll be a while before animal control will be able to come in. We have to call them and find out what they want to do and things like that. What I can do is give you a card just here.
Okay.
I'm gonna say later this evening if you want to call back and check and see what.
Because if they can fix her up, can they let her back out at Cary Street? Because her mom probably looking for her.
It's their decision. No telling what they want to do. What first we would do is exam the bird to see what's going on.
Okay.
If it's a fatal situation or not. You know
Okay.
what I'm saying? So then, but call us back. My name is Keisha. I'm here till midnight. Okay.
Okay, Keisha.
All right.
Thank you, Keisha.
You're very welcome.
Keisha was very nice. Tell Tweet Tweet we'll check on her later. Tweet Tweet. We just found Tweet Tweet some help at the vet. Yes. Okay. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Y'all have a good day.
You too.
So they gave me my case back. Nicky is really the hero in the situation, but she really don't want to be on camera right now because she has her laundry clothes on. I think she's still beautiful. People have been trying to beck at her all day, but she don't seem to think so. So, hey, it's at each his own. But it don't matter that my damn hair is sticking up in the sky like a fucking bird. Tweet, tweet. So we did our good deed for the day. Open the trunk, Nick. Nick have saved Tweet Tweet. Oops, can't fit. Put that in the back. Chick. I was thinking about chick.
No. Oh, when you said chick.
Okay, so we're about to go, so. This is the life. A day in the life of Joe Chancellor. Peace.